In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for tech gadget launches fast and easy. Understanding Google Trends can be incredibly beneficial, especially when planning a product launch or looking to capitalize on emerging trends in the technology sector. Let's dive into how to leverage this powerful tool in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Trends. A quick search in your web browser will bring up Google Trends in the results. Click on the first link, which will take you to the main Google Trends page. Once you're there, find the Explore button, usually situated at the top of the page. Clicking on this opens up a world of insights. Now think about the tech gadgets you're interested in analyzing. You will want to enter specific gadget names. These could be upcoming releases or popular devices on the market. For example, try typing in names like iPhone 16, Samsung Galaxy S25, or even something like a foldable phone. After you've entered your chosen keywords, press Enter. This action will generate a trend graph, providing a visual representation of the search interest over time. Next, to tailor this data to your specific needs, you'll want to set the location and time range at the top of the graph. Choose a location from your target region or country to see more localized data. For the time range, you might opt for the past 12 months to capture recent trends or extend it to the past 5 years if you're looking to understand longer-term patterns. Adjusting these settings helps refine the data, offering insights most relevant to your launch or marketing strategy. It's also worthwhile to check the Regional Interest section. This feature highlights areas where your topic is generating the most buzz. Knowing where interest is highest can help focus your campaigns or promotional efforts, ensuring you're reaching audiences most receptive to your product. Further down the page, you'll see sections for related topics and queries. This area is a treasure trove for finding rising or breakout search terms, such as iPhone 16 release date or Best Gaming Phone 2025. These can be pivotal for content creation and optimizing your SEO strategy, allowing you to capture interest from related searches. Finally, one of the most powerful features is the ability to compare multiple gadgets. By using the plus compare function, you can assess interest levels for various products side by side. Whether it's iPhone 16 versus Galaxy S25 versus Pixel 10, this comparative analysis can reveal which gadgets are generating more buzz, guiding your marketing and focus efforts accordingly. By using Google Trends effectively in these ways, you can make informed decisions that contribute to the success of your tech gadget launch, optimizing your strategies based on data-driven insights.